Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. So Litecoin is following the general wave count here to the upside. For further upside, we talked about targets around $90 here. We've come already to around 84, 85. So the uptrend is continuing. Talked about in the previous video this possibly being a 1-2 setup. And as long as we're holding here the yellow support level, that we can focus on higher, which is what it did. My view is, however, let me just see, I think I want to change the wave count a little bit. We talked about this being a wave 3. I will remain focused on that. But I think we just push this 1-2 setup a little bit to the side. And we see this entire move that occurred here as a wave 4, and we see the whole movement here as a wave 4 triangle. I think that makes more sense. It doesn't really change the wave count a lot. It just works out better from the proportions, and allows us quite nicely to account for this strong move up, which I consider a wave 3 because it is so long and it looks sort of rather bullish, right? How would we label this? Well, it's actually quite straightforward then. See this as a wave 4 triangle, wave A down. Just think, wave A down, then a wave B to the upside here. Then we had from the wave B high to the downside here a wave C. Let me just C wave, then a wave D to the upside, and an E wave to the downside. And then this is where the wave 4 ended. And then this is where we can start counting for the wave 5. So here wave 1, here a wave 2. Then I would consider this as the wave 3. Probably wave 4 already done, to be honest. Wave 5 done. And I would consider this now. No, 1 second. This is not. It hasn't retraced enough, has it? No, this would have to be wave 3. In the subwaves here, you've got a small 1-2 setup, 3, 4, 5. So that would consider the wave 3 done here. Now we'd be looking at a wave 4. How far can this come down? We can formulate a support area for that as well. So it has already reached the minimum it should do in a wave 4. So it already could move up from here. But as always, it needs to remain primary expectation to come down a little bit lower, as long as we hold above the 38.2% fib level, because the 38.2 fib level at 81.46 is the ideal target for a wave 4. It could even come down as low as $80.40. But from anywhere in this green box, bear in mind we reached it already, we would expect a push higher in a wave 5. Oops. So let me just make sure we've got it. Okay, wave 5. And this wave 5 then would finish off wave 5 in white as well. I'm actually going to change the wave degree here for the yellow count. And it would finish off wave 3 in blue. Then there should be a wave 4 in blue, and a wave 5 in blue, and a wave 3 in green. So let's see if we do this. Focus here would remain further on the upside as long as we're holding the $80.40 level. Target for the white wave 5. Let's see if we can get that as well. For that, we take the length of the wave 1. And we add it to the low of the wave 4. And then the very first target is 85.51. 85.81. We nearly reached that. That's the 1-to-1 ratio. Ideally, though, I would be looking at the 1.618 extension. That is at $92. Okay, that would be ideal for this fifth wave in yellow. Fifth wave of the fifth of the third. Okay. Let's see if we get there. Would be interesting. We are back in this yellow channel as well. So we can obviously move that further up. Not sure how relevant it still is because we broke it now a couple of times. I'll still keep it here. Let's see if we find support in this channel. And yeah, it's an interesting chart certainly for swing trading at the moment. Hope you liked the update about Litecoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.